Hi everyone, Cynthia here. I thought I would do an unboxing of the FabFitFun. This is the editor's box for spring. I just received it today, and when I try to look at YouTube videos for this box, not a lot of people have received it yet. It's super new, so I thought I would show you guys what's in here. This is like one of my first boxes. It comes just like this. It doesn't come in another cardboard box. It literally comes in like this. And for those that don't know, I'm pretty new to this myself, but this is a box that costs usually $50 and you get 8 full-size items. You don't get this every month. It's seasonal, so it's spring, summer, fall, winter. And I thought I would give this one a try because I saw that there was $20 off. So I thought $50 is a lot of money, but $30 for 8 full-size items, that's kind of a steal. So you get all types of things in here. It's not like Ipsy that you get makeup, skincare. FabFitFun has also things to exercise with, things for the home. It's kind of like a variety box. So you get a magazine here, which I will read later, which, you know, I don't know, horoscope and cute things to read when you have time. It also comes with a note, a couple gifts like discounts. This is HelloFresh. And this is where it tells you all the products that you could have gotten. What I like about this subscription is that you do choose. For example, they have customizations. Number 1, you could choose 1 out of the 3 items. You can choose 1 out of those 3 items. Some customizations you couldn't really choose unless you are an annual member, so you pay full price for the 4 boxes a year. And there are items that everyone gets. So I can't wait. I've been waiting to receive this. Let's go ahead and take a look. Comes nicely wrapped like this. Let's rip it open. So I'm gonna start, just look at that, so pretty. I'm gonna start with, there's 3 items that everyone gets in their bag, which are these 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. So let's take a look. One of them is this hand lotion, which retails for $19. I'm sorry, it's not hand, it's a body lotion. Lavido is the brand, and it's supposed to have nice smells like Mandarin, orange, and Bergamot. It's a pretty good size. I mean, look at it in the palm of my hand. It's nice and heavy. So it's this body lotion that I thought was really cool that you get in there. You know, summer is coming, why not? And it's a pretty fair size. Let's go ahead and look at the next items. For those that are wondering, it comes sealed, so I am not gonna open it just yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it for myself or gift it. So that's one item. Another item that everyone was getting in this box is this strengthening nail and cuticle serum. It retails for $24 and the brand is Way of Will. This is another item that I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep for myself or I'm gonna gift it. This is not what called me to the box. I'll let you know what was calling me to the box. It's right here to the right, hint, hint. So it's a strengthening oil that you're gonna put on your cuticles to make them stronger. I'm not sure if I necessarily need it. So I'm gonna decide on this later. It smells really good. The box itself smells really good. Third item that everyone was getting in their box. It's bigger than I thought. It's like this little Trinket dish from Summer and Rose. It retails for $22. And on the picture, it looked like this small little Trinket dish, but this clearly looks bigger than I was expecting it. Let's open it up. It's really cute. You can do anything with it. It could be used for decoration. Obviously putting, oh, cute size actually. I thought it was gonna be too big, but it's just the right medium size. I'm gonna use this. Obviously you can put your jewelry in here. Really could be used at anything. You can decorate it and use it however you want. So this is super cute. You can feel it, good quality, nice and thick. And the pattern is also super cute. So I will definitely be using this. Next up, I'm gonna do the items that every single member, whether new or old, could have chosen. So you have 3 options. This is a towel, a hanging train case, and sunglasses, and you were able to pick 1 out of the 3. I picked this hanging train case, which retails for $58. So I was definitely interested in this. I'm actually traveling to LA tomorrow, so I was hoping my bag would come because I want to give this a try. Open it up. So the brand is Yumi Kim, and this is an awesome travel case. The pattern itself is just so beautiful. It's not too big. I was expecting it to be a little smaller. I'm one of the weird people that actually doesn't travel with a lot of toiletries. I like to bring the least amount that I could, but I'm gonna give this a try. This is bigger than anything I've ever brought. I don't wear a lot of makeup or skincare, but I'm trying to add that. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try. Let's open it up. Looks super cute with gold zippers. Okay. So, in one side is this one. Lot of space to put toiletries in here, nice and thick. Then on the other side, you have both sides fully open to put any type of toiletries or skincare or makeup that you want in there. And the awesome part is that you get this extra side over here that's kind of folded in here. This is why it's called a hanging train case, because when you're in the hotel, you just hang it up and you have 3 sides. And I really like this because it's not as big as this. So I think I could put maybe some travel size eyeshadow palettes or just face palettes in here. And I really like that. You can hang it over here. I was thinking I could put maybe a brush or 2. And I'm definitely gonna see how I use this, but this definitely interested me in the bag. Again, the other options were sunglasses or beach towel. I'm in New York, we don't really go to the beach, so that didn't really intrigue me. But I definitely see myself using this, and I mean, the pattern is super cute as well, and it has right there for you to carry it around. So I'm really, really happy with that. It's a pretty big size as well. Next up, one could have chosen a necklace, a gym bag, or a palette. This section didn't really interest me, so I went ahead and I picked the necklace, which retails for $40. Ettika is the brand. I have a lot of gym bags. I don't even go to the gym. I just have a lot of bags. Didn't need that. I have a lot of palettes. The colors didn't interest me. I wish it would have been maybe a Tarte palette. I definitely would have gone for it. And the necklace looked kind of big in the picture. Turns out is a lot tinier than I thought. This is super tiny. Can you even see it? It's cute. It says it's like opal necklace and it's gold plated. I do wear tiny, tiny necklaces versus large ones. I just thought this one, since it's a nice opal piece, it would be big, but it isn't. It's pretty tiny. But I'm gonna give it a go. I wasn't really interested in this section too much, but it's okay because the items in the bag that I'm actually interested in are worth it to me. This one, not so much. I guess I'll go in the trinket tray for now. So the items that really intrigued me, you can see them, they're right there. One of them was this Murad. You could have chosen between the Murad eye cream or the apple cider vinegar hair mask. I went for Murad. This is one of the things that attracted me to the bag because this retails for $82, which is insane. And you're getting a full-size eye cream in this box, which I paid $30 for. So here is the renewing eye cream. It is full size, and like I said, I mean, it's an eye cream. It's a great brand, great reviews, and this is pretty big, and it's for your eyes, so that is gonna last months. So I thought I definitely have to get this. This already makes the box worth it. I mean, $82 retail price is crazy. Last 2 items were items that I personally couldn't choose from. This customization is for people that pay annually. They can choose their item. If you're a seasonal member like me that I might cancel, I might keep going, I don't want strings attached, I couldn't choose. They were gonna choose for me. So the 2 options were the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara that retails for $23 because it's full price, or the Hydrating Boost, also from Tarte, which retails for $39. This is the second thing that attracted me to the box. I am currently running out of moisturizer. I legit was gonna go to Sephora, buy a hydrating moisturizer, and the Tarte one costs $39. And again, this box was $30. So not only am I getting the moisturizer that I was gonna go and buy anyway, but I'm getting seven other bonus items besides this that I will actually definitely use. So the packaging is super cute, and this is a full-size moisturizer. And I read a lot of reviews, and I currently use gel moisturizer. I have oily skin, so gel is perfect for me. This is a gel moisturizer that's kind of clear, and it just soaks up into the skin. So I am super excited. I read that it smells like citrusy. So this is definitely for me, and I knew I wanted it. Oh, look at that. See, it kind of looks like water, or like a gel. It does smell really good. It smells fresh. That's the best scent I could say. Citrusy, yes, and just fresh. So I am very excited to add this to my beauty regimen. Last item in here, I'm sorry that it was blurry there. Last item here, again, I couldn't choose. They were gonna choose for me. It was either this Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which retails for $29, which is crazy for a pillow spray, or the Ahava Foot Cream, which retails for $29. FabFitFun sent me this pillow spray over here. Wow, it's pretty heavy and sizable. So this is gonna be a pillow spray that's supposed to help you fall asleep faster, wake up refreshed. This is cool. I've never personally tried a sleep pillow spray, so this is gonna be a new one for me. I'll definitely give it a shot, or my mom loves these things, so I think she will love it. Definitely a lot of product in here. Oh, that's not cool. It's a little dirty. Guess I'll have to check that and maybe write them. That's kind of gross. Oh, it's coming off as I rub it with my nail, but we'll see. I just wanted to smell it. It smells kind of like lavender-y, so I'm definitely very excited to try this. So that's the 8 products that I got. Again, I paid $30. This is usually $50, but they have a lot of coupon codes that are $20 off. So that to me is amazing and makes this box worth it. The items that I'm super excited for, I would say, are this travel bag. I'm definitely gonna be using it tomorrow. 100% excited for this Tarte Hydrating Boost. I will definitely use that. I wanted that. I also wanted the eye cream. I mean, come on, these two together retail for over $100. So I'm definitely very excited about those items. I would say I also really like the Trinket dish. So I'm gonna put it right here. The body lotion, I think it's okay. I'm gonna put it on the right. This is the item that I was like, sure, why not? I also get it in there. Same thing with the Cuticle. I do my nails, so maybe I'll use the Cuticle Serum. So these are the 2 items that I think are just okay, but the good news is that they're so cute that I could still gift them to someone. I know I will use the necklace. I'm just a little disappointed because I thought it was bigger, but funny enough, I do use very, very small little necklaces. I'm a small necklace instead of a large necklace person. And the pillow spray, maybe I'll give it a try, but I'm gonna put it on this side because I think I'm gonna gift it to my mom. I think she would appreciate it a little better. So there you have 8 full-size items. What a great price point. I think it's worth it for $30. $50 is a little pushing it, but maybe once in a while. I wouldn't do this every 3 months. I think that's crazy. But I'm gonna definitely use all these items over here. These are items that I can still gift to someone. They're still cute. They're not worthless in my opinion. So this was FabFitFun box. It's the editor's box. I paid $30 instead of $50. And they're currently working on the spring box as well. So if you're interested, why not check them out? If the items are worth it to you, then I think it's a worthwhile box. Thanks for watching. Bye.